I will show you how to import Python classes from Shapely and how to create different geometric objects using those classes. I'll work from the Python console. So the command that we'll use is from Shapely the geometry import point Python class line string Python class and polygon. Once that is done, I'll first begin by creating points. So I'll give it a variable name, point1 to our first point, and then call the class point and key in the coordinates. Next, I'll create line 1, and here we'll use the line string Python class from Shapely. The first coordinate pair is 0, 0, then 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Lastly, the last geometric object that I will create is a polygon, and I'll call the polygon Python class from Shapely. So we'll start with 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and end at 0, 0. As it's a polygon, it's supposed to be closed. We'll start with checking the geometry type of the different geometric objects we've created. And to do that, we'll use this command. So for point 1, we'll use point1 dot geom type, and we can see the output there is point. Then for line 1, the geom type is line, and the last one is poly1. The geom type is polygon. Next, we will query the validity of the geometry. For instance, points are usually, when you query the validity of the point, it will always be valid because a point just contains one coordinate. And for polygons, it is good to check the validity to ensure you meet the requirements of what the definition of a polygon is. We'll start by calling the polygon variable name, which is poly1, and then dot is valid, and it will return to true if the polygon is valid. We can calculate the polygon area by calling the polygon variable name and then using the method area. For line geometric object, we can query its length using the length method. Those are some of the basic geometric operations you can carry out using Shapely. We will conduct the union analysis and intersection analysis. For the union between polygon and the line, we will use the polygon we created, so the poly1 polygon, and then use the union method to check whether the polygon and line are intersected. We'll start with the polygon variable poly1, then call the intersection method, and then line 1.